Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Trishauna and today we'll be doing a high puff hair tutorial along with a daily hair routine. The products that I'll be using or tools that I'll be using for this tutorial are a pick comb, a brush for my edges, a regular brush to get my hair into the right position, a shoelace, some edge control, some moisturizer for my hair or hair lotion, and some bobby pins. Now I start off by using the pick comb to kind of fluff out my hair to give it a bit more volume. Then I use the Wow Oil Moisturizer to add some moisture to my hair as well. Right here, I'm just adding some hair polish. This step is not really necessary, but I like the extra shine that it adds to my hair. Now the next thing that I usually do is position the shoelace around my head the way that I would want it, and then I sort of kind of tie it a bit and then slowly push it towards the top of my head, adjusting the back and the front as well. And I do this until I reach, well, I do this until the puff looks like what I want it to look like, basically. Now to secure the ends of the shoelace, I use the bobby pins to secure them onto my hair. And I use a bobby pin for each end of the shoelace. Right here, I'm just adjusting my hair to ensure that it's covering the ends of the shoelace as well as the bobby pins. And now I'm using the Morris beeswax edge control to kind of slick down my edges. Then I would go in with the smaller brush for my edges to kind of set the hairs in place and position them where I want them to lay. Now to ensure that my edges stay in place for a longer period of time, I like to use a satin scarf or a head wrap to kind of set them in place so that they don't curl back up, which is what we don't want. Now after a couple minutes or so, I normally remove the scarf and make any minor adjustments to the puff that need to be made. So that is basically it for the tutorial. These are all the products and tools that I use on a daily basis, and these are the steps that I carry out to execute my high puffs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the post notification bell as well so that you don't miss out on any new videos that I post.